Your iPhone has a secret button that most people don't even realize exists. And no, it's not on the screen, it's actually on the back of your phone. Apple quietly introduced it with iOS 14, and it's called Back Tap. Back Tap turns the entire back of your iPhone into an invisible, customizable button. By simply double tapping or triple tapping the back of your phone, you can trigger powerful shortcuts without even unlocking your device. So, how does it work? Go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Touch, and scroll down until you see Back Tap. From there, you can assign actions to a double tap and a triple tap. Let's look at a few examples. Imagine you're always taking screenshots. Instead of pressing multiple buttons at once, you could set a double tap to instantly snap a screenshot. Quick, simple, and one-handed. Or maybe you want faster access to your control center. A triple tap on the back can bring it up immediately, saving you precious time. But it doesn't stop there. Back tap can also launch Siri, lock your screen, mute your device, or even scroll automatically. It can also be connected to shortcuts, which opens endless possibilities. You could double tap to turn on your smart home lights, or triple tap to send a text message to someone important. What makes this secret button even cooler is how subtle it is. There's no physical mark or sign that it's there. Your iPhone just quietly listens for taps on the back, using the built-in motion sensors to detect the knock. Of course, it's not perfect. If you use a very thick case, back tap might be harder to trigger. And sometimes, accidental taps can activate it if you're handling your phone roughly. But overall, it's one of Apple's most underrated accessibility features, useful not just for people with special needs, but for anyone who loves shortcuts. Think about it. Instead of digging through menus or pressing multiple buttons, you now have a secret button hiding in plain sight, right on the back of your iPhone. So, the next time you want to impress your friends, show them this hidden feature. Just give your iPhone a quick double tap, and watch their faces when something unexpected happens. It's simple, it's fun, and it might just change the way you use your iPhone every single day. And that's the secret iPhone button you probably didn't know even existed. Now you do. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.